Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K mini dash cam. I have looked through the internet, analyzed its features, compared it with other dash cams in this category, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether the Vantrue E1 Pro is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Dash cams have become essential for modern driving because they provide evidence during accidents, parking incidents, and unexpected road situations. But the real difference between a basic dash cam and a premium one comes down to clarity, low-light performance, and reliability. The E1 Pro is designed to focus on exactly that while keeping a very compact design that hides easily behind the rearview mirror. The biggest highlight is its 4K recording powered by the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. This sensor is known for strong dynamic range and improved low-light clarity, which helps capture sharper details like road signs and license plates during both day and night driving. It is paired with Vantrue's PlatePix HDR processing, which improves contrast and makes footage more usable in difficult lighting conditions, especially in city traffic. One of the main advantages of this dash cam is its compact mini design. It is extremely small and sits neatly behind the mirror, so it does not block your view while driving. Even though it is small, it still includes a 1.54-inch screen for quick setup and basic control, although most users rely on the app for deeper settings and playback. Connectivity is another strong point. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows much faster video transfers compared to older dash cams, making it easier to download and share footage directly to your phone. GPS is also built in, which records speed, location, and driving routes, adding useful context in case of accidents or insurance claims. The voice control feature improves convenience by letting you lock clips or control basic functions without touching the device, which is helpful for safety while driving. It is a small feature, but in real use it makes operations smoother and more hands-free. Parking protection is also included through 24/7 buffered parking mode. This allows the camera to monitor your vehicle when parked and capture footage before and after an impact. This is especially useful for hit-and-run situations or parking lot incidents, but it works best when the dash cam is hardwired for continuous power. Storage support is another strong advantage, with compatibility for up to 1 TB microSD cards. This is useful for long trips or continuous high-resolution recording without constantly worrying about space running out. Of course, there are a few limitations. This is a front-only dash cam, so it does not include rear or cabin recording, meaning users who want full coverage will need a dual-channel system. Also, night performance, while good, can still struggle in very dark or high-speed conditions compared to some larger premium setups. But overall, when you look at the full package, the Vantrue E1 Pro delivers a strong balance of compact design, 4K clarity, smart features, and reliable everyday performance. It is clearly built for drivers who want a discreet but capable dash cam without a bulky setup. So, should you buy the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K mini dash cam? After looking through the internet and evaluating everything it offers, my answer is yes for drivers who want a compact, high-quality front dash cam with strong video clarity and modern smart features. It is especially good for daily commuters, city drivers, and rideshare users who value discreet installation and reliable recording. If you need full front and rear coverage, then a dual-channel system would be better. But if your focus is a small, powerful, and easy-to-use front dash cam, the E1 Pro is definitely a strong choice. Overall, the Vantrue E1 Pro stands out as a well-balanced mini dash cam that focuses on what matters most: clear 4K video, strong daytime performance, smart connectivity, and compact design. It's a practical choice for drivers who want dependable protection without cluttering their windshield.